Dr. Mukul Sangma Nongyelam Kalyang Persha Ham Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Ulaong balada don gi bala ban pinchisha ba doyong ubala dep klong udang don kum ba la ajingken shaka National Green Tribunal ne NGT kata laipo ar lak metric ton un eno sendon yakakam sain perthai ne politics ula thetenge yak sarkar ka blakam ba ka jingpnya ya udoyong kalong tang laipo saw hajar metric ton ubam don nongkam trai Dakabau loong, bahkan ni kedai kebut panyo shalan bean jauh doyong, pat kejing sisa kalong, ba omdan kitrok kibakit kendai ton, pat kani kapausai, ba kadon kejing bamtu kabajur ya kapisa, padai ban let syakajela. Ulong, bahkan ni kejing le jong sarkar, kamut ban pendu sendanru, ya ki Autonomous District Council, kiba menta ki don ya kejing kerdu, bat kimyo satya kabha na kimarpok kendo. Dr. Mukul Ulaong, baga jingle tu kaladai na baro kitnat sarkar na marakani kapau na kajing penkerja kam kaka yaki officer. Ulama hamru yaki officer ki bakala agent jong ki politician bamsap haki kam putu bakin sayo ya kabaino.
If anybody can go and prove that this 32,000 coal has not been lifted and they're still there, I will quit politics. This 32 lakh metric ton of coal, you find out from every district. Every district has the quantity indicated in the inventory which has been submitted before the Honorable Supreme Court. They are available. It's not anymore sub judice because the Honorable Supreme Court has already pronounced its verdict. So, in East Giant Hills, what is the total quantity of coal which was required to be auctioned based on the inventory which was submitted by the government before the Honorable Supreme Court? And what is the quantity in Southwest Khas Hills? What is the quantity in West Khas Hills? What is the quantity in South Garo Hills? Then as far as this Nengkhra is concerned, the notification which was issued, now if you go by the Honorable Supreme Court's judgment pertaining to the issue of coal mining vis-a-vis the NGT ban on coal mining, the government of Meghalaya in its affidavit before the Honorable Supreme Court have pleaded in line with the Coal Miners and Land Owners Association. That is also in sync with whatever the stand the government had in the past. We have always stood by the people of the state saying that since the miners are the land owners, therefore, consistent with our tradition and customary practices, the owners of the land also owns the mineral under the surface of the land. Therefore, all the coal which is lying to be transported must go to the owners, the proceeding of this. But the government was asked to proceed with the auction through Coal India to be monitored by NGT, Honorable NGT. Now that order that judgment was issued on 3rd of July, I believe, if I'm still fresh in my memory, last year, 3rd of July. What has happened now? There were 32 lakhs metric ton of coal, in different districts of the state, totaling 32 lakhs of metric ton. This figure was presented before the Honorable Supreme Court by none other than the state government. Now I have been told that these coal have gone. All these coals are going every day. Let us go and find out where those 32 lakh tons are there. They are all gone. How much coal is left in different districts of those coal mining districts? East Giant Hills, West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, South Garo Hills. We will go and see. If you say that, okay, government has not engaged in this looting, the coal will be still there. Now, before lifting the coal, the coal miner has to pay the royalty. Now this part is different under the normal situation. But under the present situation, this 32 lakh metric ton of coal should have been auctioned as per the order of the Honorable Supreme Court. They have delayed for the best reasons known to them. You have to ask them. And that delay is seen as the modus operandi to facilitate this coal to be lifted and transported illegally without paying royalty to the state. If this is not an act of money laundering, then what is it? If anybody wants to challenge me, they can accompany me to those sites, to the ground zero, and see where the coal are, and you will see the truth. Some new channel I've heard for the first time. Our colleagues have posted in my WhatsApp account some half news or some news. I am told that it's a news run by the people in authority, owned by the politicians who are in the government. The news referred to my visit yesterday to Nenkra in East Garo Hills, wherein I have shared before the media our finding on the ground zero. Now, what is the finding? The finding is in relation to the public auction of certain quantity of coal indicated in the public auction notice at 34,000 metric ton. I received some input from concerned vigilant citizen of Garo Hills who submitted this finding in writing to me. Therefore, I met the program, went there. How much coal is there? Hardly 4,000 or 5,000 metric ton. No 34,000 metric ton. Now, the government tries to say that the fact is different, not as per the allegation. Now, what is the allegation? The allegation is that 34,000 metric ton of coal which was auctioned by the authorities, they have shown paperwork, everything. It's well scripted modus operandi. Well scripted. There must be a wonderful script writer to engage in activities, and they must be well paid. These script writers, very well scripted. Okay, somebody has to file an FIR, then somebody will go and do inquiry, and they will say that okay, this is unclaimed coal, and then they go for auction. Then what happens? What is the modus operandi? Modus operandi is that with this issue of challan, they will keep on transferring one after another truck. It's not just one truck. You just go to this Morang Krang road today, go to Shillong bypass. Watch how many trucks will go with 12 tires wala. What is the total quantity of coal indicated in the challan? 9 tons? 12 tons? Have you seen trucks carrying 9 tons of coal anywhere? Who are they cheating? If this is not money laundering, then what it is? Where is this royalty going? Who the hell is getting this royalty? It should come to government exchequer. Today you see the district council's problem. What is happening in district council? They're crying for resources. Janje is autonomous district council. Garo is autonomous district council. These royalty shares are supposed to take care of the resources need of these autonomous district councils. They are destroying our autonomous district councils. They are destroying our state. I am telling every citizen of this state, come and stand in the national highway and find out how many trucks are going with 9 metric ton challan and how many challans are being sealed. Who is weighing it? Is there weightman going on? There was a guideline issued by Honorable NGT as to how the coal should be transported. That guideline is not being followed. That guideline is not being followed, and the officers who are responsible to implement these guidelines are the Chief Secretary and the DGP. How much of money that should have come to government exchequer has been ultimately siphoned off through this modus operandi. Now, it is not possible for one individual to do it. There is a complete machinery which is involved. That's why you see rampant transfer, repeated transfer and posting of officers. And I would like to warn these officers, if they go on acting as an agent of these corrupt politicians, God help them. Because we are not going to allow state to be looted, we will take recourse to legal action. And to prove things beyond reasonable doubt, the act of corruption which I am placing before all of you is that we are going to see on the spot, see from ground zero, and tell the world that look what is truth. It's not a mere allegation. We have watched them. We have been vigilant. We have tried to correct them. Number of times we have drawn the attention of the government. Did you see any response? I saw the Chief Minister just recently saying people have to change their mindset. What is he telling? People have to change their mindset about this transportation of coal. By the Director of Mineral Resources on the 16th October 2020, challan numbering total from specific number to specific number I can give you, okay, for total quantity of 34,074 metric ton issued on 16th of October this year, means this month, 16 instant. With this challan, what is this man going to do? Because there is no 34,000 coal. This challan will be used to carry illegally mined coal from other districts. That's why you have seen that the route, interesting, the route indicated here is that Nenkra, Rongjeng, Nongstoin, Shillong, Guwahati. From Nenkra, the coal truck will come via Nongstoin, via Shillong to Guwahati. And as I have said, there are no 34,000 metric ton in Nenkra. In that particular identified depot, the officers have given me yesterday all the coordinates. No 34,000.